Welcome! Today, we're diving into editing your WooCommerce checkout page in 2025. First, log into your WordPress site. Navigate to the WooCommerce settings. Under the Checkout tab, you'll see multiple options. Let's explore these features. You can customize fields, add custom messages, or change the layout easily. Ensure to save your changes after editing. Let's proceed to check additional customization tools. Consider integrating plugins for enhanced functionality, optimizing the checkout process further. After you customize your page, preview it to ensure everything looks right. Encourage user feedback to identify potential improvements. Finally, test the checkout flow as if you were a customer. Congratulations! You successfully customized your WooCommerce checkout page. Keep your checkout page updated to improve conversions and user satisfaction. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.